The people at Kendra Scott are really the heartbeat of our brand. Kendra founded this brand on 3 core pillars: family, fashion, and philanthropy. And her goal was to put good into the world through our beautiful jewelry.
We want all of our employees to feel like they're a part of our family, and we really create a family atmosphere in the store. For me as a store manager, sometimes we face challenges with communication. If a message is missed or if they're not in the know, a customer may get the wrong promotion. Teams has really helped us align to make sure everyone can see all communication.
We use Teams to help all of our employees understand and learn about how important the customer experience is in the store and how to deliver that.
Prior to Teams, we would assign tasks to stores, but we weren't necessarily tracking it. We were doing this in a really manual way. We had to include a lot of reminders in our communication. One of my favorite pieces of tasks is it targets the right reminder to the right team so that we can keep global communication more simplistic. Once a task has been assigned to a store, they can then assign that task to an individual, and then we'll be able to see when that task is actually completed.
Using tasks, I'm able to attach the directive inside it. They can read exactly what they need to do right in that task and can just sign off when it's completed. Teams has really helped us organize our day-to-day operations by being able to prioritize tasks by deadline. If I have my operations team and we have a markdown coming out, I can send that task directly to that operations manager, and she can then filter it to anybody that she'd like to. Teams probably saves me at least 4 to 5 hours a week.
I'm also able to go into the task view and see what needs to be completed on a company-wide basis. So I'm able to help out my peers in another district by saying, hi, I noticed this task list is only 60% assigned in your district. How can I help you wrap this up before the big sale this weekend?
So Teams and Tasks supports a work-life balance immensely for our teams.
Instead of receiving text messages, they can check Teams when they get to work.
Now more than ever, having this sense of balance or wellness is so critical. Employees want to work somewhere where they feel valued, and to be able to instantaneously deliver that praise in a very public way where everybody can see it and recognize it, I have noticed a massive improvement in overall business understanding and customer experience because they're able to see what their peers are saying and celebrating. We've been able to leverage technology to stay close with each other through some of the most trying times in the retail industry. And I truly believe we're coming out of it stronger than we went into it because we did it together.
Teams will allow us to ensure we're able to deliver an amazing experience to our customers.